Good morning, children. Welcome to math class. In previous session, we had discussed about addition. Am I correct? Yes. So now in this class, we are going to revise subtraction, and tomorrow I'll conduct slip test on addition and subtraction. Okay, children. So first, everyone note down these problems in your homework book. Okay. So write first today's date, SA2 revision. And now I will give subtraction problem. Yes, first everyone note down 25 minus 12. Okay, 25 minus 12. So what means subtraction, children? Yes, we know that subtraction means taking away. Okay, what means subtraction? Subtraction means taking away. So here you have to subtract 12 from the 25, and this is the symbol of subtraction, minus is the symbol of subtraction. Now do subtraction. 5 minus 2, 3, 2 minus 1, so 2 minus 1 is 1, so 25 minus 12 is 13. Okay, now next I am giving one more problem. 36 minus 9. So always we can subtract smaller number from the bigger number, children. Okay, is it possible to subtract 2? We can subtract 3 minus 2. Am I correct? So 3 minus 2 is 1. But is it possible to subtract 2 minus 3? So 2 lonchi 3 ni subtract cheyagalama? No, it's not possible. Why? So here 2 is smaller number and 3 is bigger number. We can subtract only smaller number from the bigger number. Now here you have to check, children. 36 minus 9. So 6 minus 9 we can subtract. So just imagine I have 6 chocolates. Is it possible to give 9 chocolates to you? I have only 6 chocolates. Is it possible to give 9 chocolates? No. Why? 6 is smaller number. So we cannot subtract 9 from 6. So now what we have to do? So we need to borrow from the next place. What we have to do? We need to borrow from the next place. So next place means 1's place after 10's place. Okay, here in the 10's place 3 is there. Am I correct or not? Yes, in 10's place 3 is there. Means it's 3 tenths. So here we cannot subtract 6 minus 10. So now we'll take 1 10 from the 10's place. Okay, now we'll borrow from the 10's place. Now from these 3 tenths we'll take 1 10. Okay, from these 3 tenths we'll take 1 10. So if we take 1 10 from these 3 tenths, 3 becomes 2. Okay, so 3 tenths nunchi 1 10 తీసుకుంటే 3 becomes 2. Now here we taken 1 10 borrowing. Am I correct? Here we taken 1 10. No. Now add this 10 to this 6. Okay, here now add this 10 to this 6. So 10 and 6. So 10 plus 6 is 16. Okay, 10 plus 6 is 16. Once again I am repeating. Here 6 minus 9 we cannot subtract. So borrow from the 10's place. In the 10's place here 3 is there. So from this 3 tenths we'll take 1 10. So that's why 3 become 2. Okay, here we are taking borrowing. No. So 3 becomes more or less. So 3 becomes less. So that's why 3 becomes 2. Now add this 10. Here we taken 1 10. No. Not 1 here, children. This is for 10's place. No. Here we are taking 10. So that's why I am adding 10 here. So 10 plus 6, 16. Now do subtraction. 16 minus 9. So how we have to subtract 16 minus 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now from these 16, strike out 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now count remaining. How many are there remaining here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 16 minus 9 is 7. Okay, now write 7 here. Now 2 minus 0. So 2 minus 0 means 0 has any value? No. So 2 minus 0 means only 2. So 36 minus 9 is 27. Next, observe this problem. 5 minus 7. Always start from ones place. In the ones place, 5 and 7 are there. So, is it possible to subtract 5 minus 7? No. So, now take borrowing from the tens place. Here in the tens place, 4 is there. So, from this 4, so take 1 10. So, 4 becomes 3. Now, add this 10 to this 5. So, 10 and 5 or 5 become 15. Now subtract 15 minus 7. So how to subtract 15 minus 7? So draw 15 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, draw 15 lines. Now from this 15, you have to strike out 7. Why here subtracting 7? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now how many are there remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 15 minus 7 is 8. Now here not 4 children, only 3 is there. 3 minus 2, 1. Okay, here 5 minus 7 we cannot subtract. So take borrow from the tens place. So that's why 4 become 3 and add this 10 to this 5. It 15. 15 minus 7, 8. 3 minus 2, 1. Okay children, so this is about today's class. I will send homework in your class groups. So please check it and complete homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.